National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Woodford County in central Illinois, northwestern McLean County in central Illinois, until 10:30 a.m. At 9:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sector, or 9 miles northeast of Eureka, moving east-northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near El Paso around 10 a.m. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 12 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.